There are so many ways you can use our virtual portions of a whole kit. This kit is fantastic for studying fractions, decimals, and percents everywhere from 4th grade up to middle school, ideally. And so one of the things you can do is have your students combine fractions by adding them together to equal 1. So right now I have one column showing me 1 over 1, or 100%, and the other one is currently made up of a random collection of models, a 50%, a 25%, and a 20%. So you can challenge your students to then find what would complete it. I can find 1/20th, or 0.05, add it to my column, and see that it perfectly equals and balances out with the column that is 1 full unit. You can also clear out your fractions, generate random fractions that students then have to match, or you can add and remove portions as you wish. So this is really good for just getting a better understanding of the fractions, decimals, and percents. And if you notice here, the different sides of the object as well as the values here all show it in every different way, just like the 3D printed version does. That way your students get more and more familiar with thinking about portions of a whole in any different variety of ways. So whether you're using this to just understand fractions, see how they add together, how they multiply, or finding equivalent fractions, there's a lot of really great things you can do with our portions of a whole kit. Thanks for watching.